Hello friends, welcome to Civil Engineering Study and Construction channel. In this video you are watching that cement plastering work on wall is going on. Yes, in today's class we will discuss about cement plastering in complete details, its purpose, specifications, methods of applications, tools, workmanship requirements, curing and reference to the Indian standard codes. This lecture will be very important for both civil engineering students as well as site engineers, contractors and construction professionals. I will request you to please watch the video up to the end so that you can understand the all working. Let's start the main topics. Plastering is the process of covering rough surface of masonry walls, ceilings and other building elements with a thin layer of suitable material, generally a mix of cement, sand and water, to achieve a smooth, hard and durable surface. The main objectives of plastering are to provide an even and clean surface, to protect masonry joints from atmospheric effects such as rain, wind and harmful gases, to increase durability and hygiene, to provide a proper base for paint, distemper or other decorative finishes. According to IS 1661-1972, the Code of Practice for Application of Cement and Cement Lime Plaster Finishes, plastering is considered an essential finishing work for both functional and aesthetic reasons. Friends, now going to the specifications of the materials required in this work. Cement. Ordinary Portland cement conforming to IS 269 or IS 8112 or IS 12269 may be used depending on the grade of cement requirements. Portland Pozzolana cement as per IS 1489 or Portland slag cement as per IS 455 is also permissible to use. Sand. The sand used for plastering should conform to IS 383-2016 specification for fine aggregates. It should be clean, well graded, free from organic impurities, silt and clay. The fineness modulus should lie between 1.5 to 3.0 for plastering sand. Water. Water should conform to IS 456-2000 requirements. Potable quality, free from harmful salts, organic matter or any oils. Preparation of cement and sand mortar. Cement and sand are mixed dry in required proportions till uniform color is obtained. Water is added gradually, ensuring workable consistency. Mortar should be used within 30 minutes of adding water as per IS recommendations. Mortar mix proportion for plastering work. The cement sand proportion depends on the type of plaster. For internal walls, it is generally 1:4 to 1:6 proportion. For external walls, richer mix like 1:3 or 1:4 is used for better durability. For ceiling plaster, it is 1:3 is common. The thickness should be in accordance with IS 2402-1963, Code of Practice for External Renderings and Finishes. Thickness of plaster. For internal walls, plaster thickness is usually 12 mm to 15 mm thick. For external walls, it ranges from 15 mm to 20 mm thick for better weather protection. In special cases, 2 coats of plaster may be applied. The base coat 10 to 12 mm thick for leveling and the finishing coat 3 to 8 mm for smoothness and neat finish. Preparation of background surface. According to IS 1661-1972, before plastering the masonry surface must be properly prepared. Cleaning. Remove all dust, loose mortar, efflorescences and oil stains. Racking of joints. Mortar joints should be racked to a depth of at least 10 to 15 mm for better bonding. Dampening. The wall should be well soaked with clean water 6 to 12 hours before plastering to avoid absorption of water from mortar. Hacking for RCC surface. If plaster is to be done, On RCC or concrete, the surface should be hacked or treated with a bonding coat like polymer slurry to ensure adhesion. Plastering procedure. Apply mortar with a trowel and press firmly into the joints. Level the surface using wooden or steel floors. Check alignment using plumb bob, straight edge and spirit level. For two-coat plaster, the first coat is scratched slightly to provide a key for the finishing coat. Finishing the surface. Finishing can be smooth, sand-faced or textured depending on the requirements. Over-troweling should be avoided to prevent cracks. Curing of the plaster. Curing is extremely important in plaster work. As per IS 1661-1972, curing should begin 24 hours after plastering and continue for at least 7 days. This prevents cracks, shrinkage and loss of strength. Curing is generally done by sprinkling water or covering the plastered surface with wet Hessian cloth. Friends, if specifications are not followed properly in the plastering work, the following 5 defects may occur. Number 1. Cracks due to excessive shrinkage or poor curing. Number 2. Blistering when air bubbles get trapped. Number 3. Efflorescences due to soluble salt in brick, sand or water. Number 4. Flaking or peeling due to poor adhesion. And number 5. Uneven surface due to improper workmanship. Now, what safety measures to be taken during plastering work? Scaffolding should be stable and conform to IS 3696 Part 1 and Part 2 for safety in working at heights. Workers should wear gloves, mask and protective glasses. Continuous supervision should be maintained to ensure uniform thickness and alignment. Friends, I am mentioning here 6 numbers, Indian Standard Code of Practice number related to plastering work for your reference. You may go through this code for more in-depth understanding. Number 1. IS 1661-1972 Code of Practice for application of cement and cement lime plaster finishes. Number 2. IS 2402-1963 Code of Practice for external renderings and finishes. Number 3. IS 383-2016 Specification for coarse and fine aggregates. Number 4. IS 269, IS 8112 and IS 12269 Specifications for ordinary Portland cement. Number 5. IS 1489 and IS 455 Specification for PPC and PSC. And number 6. IS 456-2000 Water quality requirements for concrete and plastering. So friends, this was a complete and elaborate discussion on cement plastering with IS code specification. I have covered here materials, mix proportions, thickness, preparation, application process, curing, defect, safety and relevant IS codes. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this Civil Engineering Study and Construction channel for more such civil engineering and construction related knowledge sessions. Also press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next class. Thanks again.